Here they are! The novelties: pink shoes, fur headphones, lilac pen case, sparkling glitter, modish bracelet, handbag fitting the shoes. How can we do it? Bend Barbie's foot. Cut half of the narrow ball and put it accurately on the doll's foot. Now, tighten accurately all the creases and straighten them. Put a heavy layer of hot glue on the foot, just like a boot. Let's wait some time till it hardens. Then we have to make an incision on each side, take the draft off of the foot, and scissor it out in a ballet shoe shape. The thick straw we cut obliquely. Fill it with hot glue and attach the heel to the shoe. Put the liquid glue densely on the shoe. Flatten it with a brush. Drown it in the pink glitter. Bathe it well. Shake the unnecessary glitter off. It's ready! Try the shoes on. Incredible! Cut a small quadrate of lilac fleece. Glue one of its sides to a piece of zip. Roll it and attach the second fabric point. Press it well to fix it firmly. Now glue round walls to the sides. Decorate it in a circle with silver glitter. Now insert the chain in the zips hole from a circle. Attach a fur keychain with a pearl butterfly. What a wonderful pen case! Why do we need a paper clip? Straighten it and then make a beautiful bend. Glue fuzzy pompons to the points. Decorate it with some glitter. Barbie is so happy about her novelty. We made such cool headphones. This hat is already worn out, but we are not going to throw it away. It's better we make a rectangular draft for the doll dress out of it. Make it round in the upper part, for the arms. It will be a beautiful knitted dress. Make one side with hot glue and fix it well. Make it the same with the other side, and fix it again. Now, unbend the neck piece and glue it along the neck hole. Trim the points and make a collar. Decorate it with a thin silver band precisely along the contour. Tuck in the points. A fluffy fur below is really modish. Glue it. Strengthen and enjoy the miniature knitted dress. Barbie can't wait to try it on. Put it on accurately. We made a very stylish outfit, but we still need a handbag. Let's make a miniature handbag out of a container. Glue 2 bands of pink glitter in a circle. Take the sparkling foam paper and put the box on it. Outline the contour. Scissor out 2 circles. Now, attach the silver hands to both sides of the box. Glue the pink circles on the top. The first and the second. Decorate it with a flower. Barbie is happy! Cut 2 sectors of the rectangular blister, round off the corners, and make up a small box. Paint the box with blue lacquer. Prepare a mirror and the foam paper of the box's size. Make 4 holes on the piece with an eyelet puncher and attach it to the second piece. Insert the mirror and the pieces in the box. Fill the shadows with gel. Decorate it with a pearl band and a butterfly. Cut off a narrow ring from a straw. Cover it with lacquer. Paste it over with a pearl band and cut the ring apart. We made a bracelet. Decorate it with a gemstone. So realistic! Put the bracelet on Barbie's elegant hand and enjoy! Bite a piece off a wide straw. Fill the bottom with hot glue and press it to an even surface. Trim it with lacquer. Scissor out a round blister and cover it with lacquer. Prepare a thin straw. Make a hole in the cap. Insert the straw deeper. Sign the bottle beautifully and decorate the cap with glitter. Fill our bottle with liquid glue and bubbles. Now we have to close it. Fresh water for our Barbie is ready. She is so thirsty. Let's prepare a slate pencil. Stepping a bit out of the point, glue a small bead and fix it at both sides. Now string the sparkling beads on the slate pencil, alternating between the colors. Fix it with glue. Paint the point of our pencil, cut it and paste it up. Now insert the slate pencil in a straw. Fill it with glitter and glue it up. Now Barbie has both a pencil and a pen, sparkling shoes, stylish headphones, trendy pen case, glitter on the ears and on the bracelet, modish handbag. You will learn with us how to do all these things and many others on our Lil Simple channel. Subscribe right now and press the bell not to miss new videos.